inspect the hoses, the face mask, the straps, and be sure that the straps are always loosened. Okay, what is the purpose why it is being loosened? What is the purpose? Please give me one answer. Okay, for the reason of there will be some person who are small and the other one is big like that. So it's always ready so he can adjust by himself. Okay. So take out and replace a new one and start tightening. By wearing the PA, you can wear it by yourself or by an assistant. Okay, so now Chief Cook will try to wear without assistance. Okay, and then after that, wait. So the will a little bit lean forward. Okay, lean forward and grab the strap.
So Arla is the king's daughter. So let's give it away to Arla. Alright, this is our engine. These are the British cadet. Arla, just doing it. This is our engine cadet, Filipino engine cadet.
Okay. You can see, slowly but surely.
This is firefighting demonstration together with the equipment. This time, this is the engine firefighting team. Dito. Okay, it's good. Okay.
Tapos retreat.
Okay.
Yan, release mo na yung pressure. Release. Tama yun. Tama yun. Open, partially. Then close again para mag-release yung pressure. Saka, ano naman siya yan, di ba? Patukot naman, di ba?
Si may visa sir eh. Si Daniel Roman.
Yung ibabaw lang yung visa?
Si Diesel expired sir. Pero nakaschedule sa whiteboard doon sa May 11 sila sa New York.
Sayang.
May nakita doon? Sa whiteboard? Sige nga, eh. Patingin lang isa.
Ano yung naka-schedule?
Junior Roman ba? Nakasulat. Saka si J. Dalawa pa lang doon.
For 2 minutes without assistance. Okay? So not 1 minute, not 3 minutes, it is 2 minutes as per regulation. So you can pour the river. Okay? You open your immersion suit. Please always see to it that it is open. It's here. Okay? And what's the area? And if it is clear, look ahead. Okay? Look ahead. Step 1. And then with the crossfit, jump. Okay? Okay? It's okay. So
That's
the one.
crazy idea, right? Make sure that you bring always the immersion suit together. So when you proceed to the lifeboat station, bring along with you your immersion suit. Not unless we're required to wear this one before we board the lifeboat. Then is AB. Yan, mas malaki pang
ASEAN. Ano ka lang? So makit.
easy. Man life.
So one the first to complete stay here. First to complete, come here on this side.
Easy.
First to complete and okay. After we done. 40 seconds.
How is it, Erla? Take your time.
5 seconds.
Chipmate. Okay.
1 minute and 10 seconds.
It's okay. You have to do it slowly.
1 minute and 15 seconds. 5, 2 minutes. Okay. This one is a bit close. It's a bit close. This one. Is it here? This one.
Yes.
Okay. Look. Okay.
GM de Guzman. The corona is securing the bag to their respective immersion suit bag.
This.
What's the problem, Orla? Take it easy.
So before I commence my instruction, we have 11 AEBDs on board for your understanding. So we have 2 on the bridge, and then 3 on the fire control room, and the rest is the engine room. The second deck must be 3, 1 on the port side, 1 starboard side, and 1 inside the control room. Correct? And it is also shown here. But if not, the normal is 10 minutes. Yeah, but some
Depends on your...
and also it depends on your how you breathe. So within 15 minutes or 10 minutes, be sure that you are not already on the confined space. You are already on the open space. So with this one, here, here, and then here. Okay? Like that.
Hindi pa natin. I-adjust mo yung strap mo.
Side. Go up.
Mga cyber experts kayo, kaya
Reiterate two best practices to eliminate cyber risk of USB device. This one will pin and memory card by the office camera before taking photo. These computers. And the best practice is format. You have to format first. Yeah, these two. File name extensions.
So from the start, you can see we are in auto position, right? From auto position, you must change it to hand position, hand steering. Then try. If it's not working, you can do NFU, non-follow-up unit. So non-follow-up unit is using this one. This is a joystick. So when you
First, step one. Off. Off. This is autopilot control box. This is off. Then, step two. Start. Start. Now, will run. After, will go there.
Why we use this CO2 peak CO2 system? Why? That is the first question. Anybody can answer?
Because the fire cannot control.
Yes. If we cannot control the fire, we have another option. Only in the engine room and purifier room, and then the other is in the cargo hold, because they have installed CO2, big CO2 system. So if this malfunction, we can go to the, if unsuccessful, right, we can go to the CO2 room.
Nantok na short.
Case of failure of the starting cylinder, go to the CO2 system. We have fire in the room. Remove the pin. Open this box. And then one cargo hold system. Sample number 6. Tapos ganon. Three-way valve. I-pull down. So this is the model for number 6 for cargo hold. First is cargo hold. Automatic is automatic. Another ship is not automatic, only manual. Okay na. Engine room, cargo hold, and piston.